Hey guys, welcome to the world of YouTube. I got Overwatch on the computer, so let's open some winter loot boxes. I got 11 of them, because I bought them because I'm cheap. No, not cheap at all.
Do you like FIFA opening?
Hey guys, welcome back to Overwatch. Today we got 11 winter loot boxes. Let's open them right now. Let's hope we can get a Lionel Messi, legendary. Let's hope I get Tracer skin. I've got good skins in the Xbox version. Let's see if I can get good skins in this version. Come on, Blizzard, be nice to me. I spent $15 for this. Yes, we got 3 blues. Next loot box.
Next one, you're gonna be more enthusiastic.
We got the Bastion skin, a blue Bastion skin suit. Holy shit. That is insane. Okay. Oh! We got gold, guys. We have gold. And we also got a May voice line. Let's hear this. I hope it's amazing.
Hey, chill out.
That's even better. Hey, chill out.
Chill out, will ya?
Come on, legendary. I actually really want a legendary. Okay. We got probably the worst profile picture fucking ever. Okay, come on, legendary. 2 pinks. Oh, we got the... Okay. Good. Lucio, I got that skin on Xbox. I want the Tracer skin on PC because I want a main Tracer. Oh yes, I like this skin of Sombra as well. I'm getting decent stuff here. I'm getting good looking stuff, but not valuable stuff. Okay, blue. That's a Call of Duty reference. Another pink. A Hanzo skin. Another blue. Got a shitty Reaper skin. Not my luck today, guys. Okay, we got 150 gold, and we got a pretty cool Tracer spray. Come on. Give us something good. And it's a Zarya highlight. Oh no, emote. Oh, it's the take a knee emote. Okay. Last one. We got jack shit.